Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing, and today we are checking out the Noble Performance Full Titanium Pro Single Exit Exhaust for the 2022 and up BRZ and GR86. This single exit exhaust is full titanium construction, and 3-inch piping provides adequate flow with a 4.5-inch exhaust tip that makes a bold statement. Everything you need to install the exhaust onto the car comes inside the box. I'm talking the clamps, muffler hanger, a brand new donut gasket, gloves, and they were nice enough to provide you with a muffler silencer, which, you know, who wants that? Now that we've gone over the details of the exhaust, let's get this bad boy installed. The first thing we're going to do is remove the two 12 and 14 millimeter spring bolts that attach the midsection to the rear of the car. Next thing we're going to do is loosen and remove the two 14 millimeter bolts that attach the mid pipe to the muffler. This car is fairly new, so it probably doesn't need the donut gasket replacement, but it does come new in the box, so we're going to go ahead and throw it on. Now it's time to actually install the exhaust. So the first thing we're going to do is throw one of the pipes on that actually has a hanger, so we don't have to worry about holding it. Now we're going to throw a clamp on and add the mid pipe. At this time we're going to add the spring bolts back in, but we're not actually going to tighten it yet. It's really just to hold it steady. Next we're going to throw a clamp on our muffler section and toss it up into place. Okay, now that all of the pieces are on, we're going to go ahead and line it all up, make sure it comes out straight from the bumper and we don't have any interference or clearance issues here, which, by the way, everything looks like it fits fantastic. So we're going to give it a final tightening and fire it up. There we go. Now that all the bolts are tight, we're going to give you a little audio clip of before and after with the Noble single exit titanium exhaust. I'll tell you what, you cannot go wrong. It sounds great, the fitment is great, and who doesn't love a full titanium exhaust? If you're a JDM fan, you will not be disappointed in this Noble full titanium single exit exhaust. So visit importimageracing.com for this and thousands of other parts, and be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.